called as skill capital of India. What are the current challenges that you see right now?
The challenges would be in terms of the education system that we have and the pedagogy that we are following as of now, which is very till now also it's very theoretical, and it's we are not able to embed skilling into our schooling infrastructure. Although the new education policy of which we have a session also, it has tried to uh, kind of come with structures where we are able to embed skilling into the education infrastructure, but practically as we see. In the villages and as well as the cities across India, we are not able to actually get our head around as to how to actually do it practically. So we do have good intentions in mind, but to see how exactly we are able to impart skilling to the people as we have imparted education for so long, that would be something for us to see in the future. Another challenge is very geographical. Every place is different. So, in terms of whether people do want to move out of their areas and what are their aspirations, getting to know the industry demands, these are the challenges which have been there since inception, and I think they will continue to be there. But we are still developing solutions to these problems.
And from the government point of view, how what role do you see of the local government in this whole scenario? What kind of role can local government play, and is there any importance of local initiatives right now?
Local initiatives are important. Local government, if you talk about government at the village levels, then if we are able to create the mindsets of people, including students and parents, as to how skilling is also important and vocational trainings are equally important and valued as we value degree, because one may have a degree but one may not have a job, but if one has a skill, then definitely that person is eligible to get a job. Secondly, I think the initiative from the side of the state governments to align their programs with what the central government is also planning, that is also very important. The priority of different states are mostly different. So skilling, now it is the time that we start speaking about skilling not only on a national scale but at the local levels as well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Great insights. Thank you so much.